to see you. I've got Cedar here. Let's say hi, Cedar. And I've got Autumn. She's a bit upset because she has the hiccups. See, you can't see you? So it is 11:15 in the morning, and yeah, I pretty much just have been spending every morning this week is feeding Autumn and feeding Autumn and feeding Autumn, and I'm still in my pajamas, and I really want to shower today. It's like my goal for today is to have a shower and to put some of our washing away, like our clean washing. But yeah, I've been like really resting this week, lying down a lot, and we got out a freezer meal for tonight. And Autumn is just, she is perfect in every way. Who is it? It's Autumn. And have you got a little sister, Cedar? Yeah. Cedar can say Autumn. And yeah, she's feeding a lot. She's doing fantastic, guys. So yeah, I'm just waiting for her to settle down so I can have a shower. And Luke's taking the girls to their ballet class because it's Saturday. Hopefully today I'll get dressed at some stage. Okay, so I'm back. It is after lunch now. So baby Autumn, yeah, she's doing really well. She has a really unsettled period in the morning, and so I spend pretty much all morning just sort of feeding her, settling her, holding her, feeding her again. So the mornings this week have consisted of me doing that. So I've managed to just get one load of washing on and just get myself at least dressed. There's been no time for anything else. I definitely haven't got to like makeup, and some mornings not even have time to brush my teeth. So I do well to just get dressed and take my morning supplements at least before midday. Yeah, because little babies are very time consuming for sure. And then she's been having this really big sleep in the afternoon, so she's finally crashed out of sleep. This is her little swing. There's her little foot. Girls are just playing with their teeth, so we'll clean them up. Okay, I'll check on them in a minute. So there's little Autumn in her swing. I've just got this little basket here by the couch with some things for her that I might need, some nappies and wipes and things, and her blue book for when the midwives come over and check on her. She's finally having a good sleep now. So normally in the afternoons, I've been lying on the couch and having a sleep. I've been like trying to rest as much as possible. I've made the mistake after past babies where I get up and I try to do lots of stuff straight away. And this pregnancy, I read a book about postpartum rest and the importance of it. And it makes a lot of sense to me. So I've just been trying to rest as much as I can, like lying down, sitting down, not going out, not really doing anything strenuous except for looking after her. And Luke's pretty much been running the house. He's the one that holds everything together while I am resting. He's been getting everyone lunch, and we've been getting our freezer meals out, and he's been heating them up for everyone and maybe cooking some vegetables or rice to go with them. And yesterday he cleaned like the whole house. He mopped the floors and did the sinks and did heaps of cleaning. And he's been helping me with the homeschooling. We weren't sure when we were going to start the homeschooling again, but we actually started it this week because the kids always go heaps better when they're doing their routine. So Luke's been helping with the homeschooling this week too, and taking Francis to school, because just Francis is going to school. What he's working on right now, we're actually switching some bedrooms around, because Cedar was still sleeping in our bedroom before Autumn was born, and I just thought perhaps we could move him into our walk-in wardrobe and into like a porta cot. And so we did that, but it was a complete disaster. Like the first night, every time Autumn cried or made any noise at all, Cedar would be up and he was crying, and then Luke spent the whole first night when I got back from the hospital settling Cedar, who was crying. And so that just did not work at all. And so we have to get Cedar out of our bedroom. And so, and then the next night we put Cedar here in the lounge room. And this is where Cedar has spent the last week, sleeping here at night time in the lounge room, and then back in our bedroom for his naps during the day, because he still has a really big sleep in the afternoon, probably for like 3 hours from like 1 to 4. Cedar has a sleep in the afternoon. So that's what we've been doing so far. And then we decided to turn half of our garage into Francis's and Arrow's room, and we're going to turn their room into Cedar's room, so then he'll have a nice small room so we can shut the door and he can have, because he goes to sleep a lot earlier than everyone else, so we can't really put Cedar in with any of the other kids. So that is what Luke has been working on today. Today's Saturday. Anyway, I was going to say that normally I would have a sleep right now, but I actually haven't folded any washing for a week. So today's Saturday, and Autumn was born last Saturday, and I haven't folded anything for a week. So yeah, Luke starts some washing there, so I'm going to have to fold up some washing while this little girl is having a sleep, because that is getting, the washing is getting a bit out of hand. So I've been putting on like a load of washing every day, every morning, and Luke's been hanging it outside for me. But yeah, we haven't folded anything, so there's probably like several loads that needs folding. So I'm just going to do that for a little bit, and then perhaps I'll have a sleep in preparation for tonight later on. I'll just give you a quick look at how Luke's going with this bedroom switch over. Little miss having a sleep. I gave her a bath before too, in our sink, and she loved that. So for starters, this was in our garage, and we've put this fridge here in the kitchen, sort of kitchen lounge area. So hi Holly.
Hello.
Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Tell them what you're doing.
We're cleaning our room.
In the bin. Good job. And what did you do this morning?
Do ballet.
You went to ballet.
I had these.
And what happened here this morning too?
I too fell.
You lost your tooth this morning. Yeah. And you got money? You got $2?
Yay!
Yeah. So I'm going to show them what Dad's up to. So here's our garage. Luke brought this divider. This half of the room is my laundry. And this half of the room, whoa, you're squished in there. This half of the room is going to be Francis and Arrow's room. And they picked out this brand new mat, which we're going to put on the floor. They're going to have a mat, they're going to have this desk, and they're going to have their guitars in here. And then Luke's going to insulate the garage door, because it does get really hot and really cold in here. And then this room is going to be Cedar's room. And the boys are going to put all their bookshelves and that in the garage too. So We're working on that today. Luke and the boys are working on that.
No, just need a vacuum.
You just need a vacuum and you're tidying your room. Good job, Willow. The girls are tidying their room. Let's see how they're going. How's it going in here, girls? Wow, it is looking so much better. Oh, and you've got your Lego friends in there. Nice. Okay, that's all done. There's about 4 baskets full. Anyway, I better sit down and have a rest now. I'm just going to get everyone to put away their own things. And she's still asleep. So relaxed before Autumn. Autumn had a massive sleep and she's awake now. Hey Autumn. She's going to have a feed. She's woken up right when Luke's serving up tea. Daddy's serving up tea. And she woke up and decided that she's hungry too. So I'm sitting here feeding her. Look how cute she is. Look at your little feet. Little feet. Oh, you kicked the camera. You're angry because you want me to feed you. Oh no. Oh, thank you, darling. Daddy brought me my tea. Okay, she's happy now, isn't she? Does she look really relaxed now?
She has pants on.
Yeah, she's got these little leggings on, aren't they cute? Autumn. Are you very relaxed? I think that she's very relaxed now. Was that yummy milk?
So much different dimensions.
I think since
Like
Yeah.
that can't exist.
I think she's happy now.
Okay guys, so here is Mum's iron infusion alternative juice. So we chop up 2 big raw beetroots, we peel them, chop them up into pieces that'll fit in a juicer. There's 4 celery sticks, there's apple, I think 2 apples, lemon, I think it's half a lemon that you just cut the peel off, quarter them, and then there's ginger as well, like one sort of like a knob of a raw ginger. So we'll get juicing here and show you what it looks like.
Gonna pick her up and try to rock her again like you were before. She's being sad. Yeah, it's our new car. Go have a look. Yeah, go see. Look, Cedar, it's so big. What do you think? Oh my gosh, it's so big. It's so big. Hi. How was it driving it back?
You see at the back.
Did it drive okay?
Hang on a second.
Yeah?
You should
This
coffee.
is the exact
Oh man, it's so big. What do you think, guys?
Here, Mum, you want to sit
There is
here?
an anchor
It's
point
so big.
Here, Mum.
there.
Oh, is
Seated to
there? I
sit
thought
there.
the ad said it
I
didn't
want
have
seated.
any.
Oh, Mum, I want seated to sit there and
It's got anchor points. Oh, that is an anchor point.
Oh, I thought the thingy said it didn't have
I
any.
want to sit right here.
Wow.
Where's the seatbelt?
Cedar, what do you think?
Really?
Oh.
What do you think of the car? He looks a little bit like he's speechless. You let him down, let him look around.
Oh, it's got vents.
So it was okay.
It's completely fine. I even test drove it.
Yeah.
Oh, and the guys that in Adelaide, and this was their group car,
Wow.
and they're only selling
Really?
it because they couldn't afford to upkeep it.
Oh, really?
Service. He showed me
Oh,
the service
that's
history.
Wow.
Super clean.
I'm obsessed with these cars.
Wow, cool.
Want to sit down?
Cedar,
Fire extinguisher too.
do you love the new car, Cedar?
Can I sit here by myself?
Put your seat.
Can I sit here?
Probably you won't be by yourself.
Can I sit here next to Cedar?
You can have Cedar next to you, yeah, because I need a big person next to little people.
Sit, Daddy. Hey, I know the exact spot. I sit here next to
can say
Cedar and
bus.
Cedar sits here.
Okay.
We should sit at the back.
I'm gonna sit here.
I would be happy for you to sit next to Cedar, Savannah, because I do need a big person next to a little person.
Ken said wasn't one of the older kids sit in the front seat, so one of us can sit with the littlies,
Oh
which
yeah,
could work.
that's true.
Do
I
you
could,
feel
I
like
could.
going on an excursion in this car?
Yeah.
Going to the zoo or something?
Yes.
It even has a no smoking sign.
No smoking.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
No
anyone
smoking
was
sign.
smoking.
No, my idea was to sit a big person close, at least close to a smaller person, so they can reach them and pass them. Wow. Autumn, what do you think of your new car? She's so excited that she went to sleep.
There's luggage.
Look, Kai. What do you think?
Where am I?
We said we were bringing a bus.
What do you think? Haven't worked out. Willow, this is our new car. What do you think?
Where can I?
Do you think we'll all fit in this car?
Yeah.
There's a footrest.
Yeah.
Seriously, that's not a foot. Hang on.
What do you think,
Mum, the
Willow?
drivers are there.
If no one sits up here, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, if no one sits up here, I'm just gonna use.
Mum, no
Yeah.
one sits up here. I'm
Let's
gonna
find out I'm sitting there.
The arrow.
And if I'm like,
Alright.
it's a bumpy drive, I can.
Hello.
3.
I'm doing.
We just need one more anchor point.
Does Cedar want to see himself? Cedar.